Hey team, welcome back to my channel. It has been a week since Adam and I have returned from Thailand, and I'm sure the first thing you've noticed is the lack of a beard on my face. I thought it was time to revisit a clean shave, and I prefer being clean shaven. Even though Adam seems to think that I look younger when I've got a beard, I think the opposite. I think I look younger when I'm clean shaven. You'll have to let me know down below. Tonight is date night. I'm about to leave home and go over to Adam's place. We haven't seen each other since we got back, so it'll be nice to catch up and all that sort of like coupley stuff. We are having Mexican tonight, which I'm super looking forward to because even though we got a little bit tired of Thai food when we were away, even though we were in Thailand, and all we wanted was Western food, when I got back and I started eating my normal food, part of me is like, I really feel like Thai. I feel like something different. I'm glad that we're having something different tonight. We're gonna do another product review. The product review we're gonna be doing today is a fitness app that came up on my Insta feed, and I'll insert a picture of it because I took a screen capture somewhere. The things I look for in fitness apps is ease of use, claims versus results, or other way around, results versus claims. Is it free? Is it polished, or is it clunky? Also did get today is got myself a little bit organized for 2020. Who else can hardly believe that 2020 is just around the corner? It's so crazy. You can see my shadow. I went and got myself a new diary so I can keep on top of my weekly events. I am old-fashioned. I can rely on my phone to do all of that and remind me, but I kind of just want to write it down. I like doing it that way. And who doesn't like some nice stationery? I mean, really. What do you think of my hat, team? This is one of the things that I got for myself in Thailand, in Patong more accurately. I didn't actually spend a great deal of money on myself in Thailand, other than activities and alcohol, but like mementos, souvenirs, things that I can just take home. What I did get, however, that I didn't pay for, what did I do with it? Here it is down here. How cool. That's Adam and I with our elephant sinuan. And if you aren't familiar with what that whole thing, I will link the video where we walked, washed and fed an amazing, amazing creature, sinuan the elephant. Had my first class back Friday night, my grit class, as you know. Let me just say, it was not a fun experience. If we can rewind 2 holidays ago, I can clearly remember me telling you guys I do a lot more cardio on my holidays because majority of my programs are cardio. When I came back to teaching grit, it was exactly the same as the first 2 times. Wasn't pretty, but at least I can floor coach in grit. So it wasn't too terrible. I've also got coming up in a couple more vlogs, the things that I love the most about the holiday, my highlights and all of that. I know I've done a quick wrap up, but I haven't done a completely in-depth wrap up of the entire holiday. I did Beyond Resort and the Slate. And again, if you aren't familiar with that, I recommend you go watch my previous 5 vlogs. It documents Adam and I's journey through Thailand, and you'll see my thoughts within that. I'm also going to be doing a sister tag via FaceTime with my sister. I think you briefly saw her. She's in my intro. You'll see her with her arms crossed, brunette. She's standing to the far left corner, I think, when there's beer pong happening. And that was taken last Christmas. I'm also going to be working on a project with Carol. Carol appeared in our hiking vlog. She's also appeared in like snippets. She's also in my intro. I'm doing body pump, a Christmas body pump with her. I'm working on something with her that's called Enabled. What Enabled is, it's geared towards my industry, fitness instructors. It's all about increasing awareness around people with intellectual disabilities or disabilities in general require physical exercise to keep their mental health as well as their physical health in check. And unfortunately, people with intellectual and physical disabilities aren't given the same level of access that we have to fitness facilities or even outside fitness programs. As you just saw from before, the app is called Fitness Buddy. This is what you're seeing on the screen is the first thing that you see when you open the app.
It prompts you for your goals, your gender, your weight, and all of that. As you can see, you can see me doing my own body fat percentage, my target body fat percentage. It asks for your weight, your height, your gender, your date of birth. I actually really do enjoy apps that are a little bit more in depth like this. I had to think about it a little bit there. What you will discover when we get up to it is they will include a generic program for you, or a couple of generic programs, I should say. But if you want to get a more in-depth stuff, you actually have to pay, which is not something that I'm a big fan of. You can just see the list of exercises that you can actually cycle through. This is the home screen. I'm just showing you all the things that are included, the free version of the program. Okay, now we're in the gym workout plan. It's a 2-day split. You'll do upper body, then lower body. I really do enjoy the level of information and the quality of the images. What I would like to see, however, is an area in which you can, or whether or not it's in the pro version, it probably is in the pro version, but an area in which you can record the things that you have achieved, like your weights and if you've gone up and that sort of thing. So we're on day 2 with this one. I like how it tells you what the muscle groups you are that you're working. Not a fan of his lunge technique, but that's cool. Yeah, it's pretty quick, but just zipping through them. It's because I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on this particular program. There are different programs within there. That's part of the free version. I'm pretty sure there's at least 4. I'm just showing you the one that I'm going to be utilizing myself, which is the double split, the 2-day split. So what you can see is I'm now just showing you all of the other body parts that they've got a whole list of exercises that you can choose from for each body part. There's a full body variation with a TheraBand. There's a body weight only with no equipment. Then there's goal specific, so ab program, shoulder program, leg program. Back on the home screen here. This is where you get into, you can see the little crown on the side in the top right corner. You have to pay. Of course, that's not one of the goals that I'm trying, or one of the things that I'm trying to put over the line to you guys. The more inclusions that are free, the better. Again, this is a little bit extra you got to pay for. So basically, in a nutshell, is you've only got the 5 programs that are included.
As you know, I was going to organise things in these, but I got a little bit carried away at Kmart. I mean, that's what it's there for, right? So I've got these 3 separate ones and a bunch of drawers to organise all of this. I've also got a couple of other things that I will be showing you at a later date, but let's get cracking. Thanks for watching. We know what to do. Like, comment, hit the notification bell, subscribe, stay tuned.